Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Tiffany and I upload a new homemaking video every Sunday. I'm excited about today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you my Friday morning cleaning routine. This is where the bulk of my chores get done and it's just a great block of time for me to be really efficient. So I hope that you have a block of time that you can clear out to get some chores done, and hopefully this will help you settle into a routine of your own or give you some new ideas if you are working on that for yourself. So come with me and we will get our acts together. Now this morning I have already been on the ball as soon as I got out of bed, and this is how I know if I'm gonna have a successful Friday or not. I get my sheets in the washer by about 7:10. If I wait until about 8 o'clock, it starts to get a little tricky or iffy, or I'm not certain I'm gonna get everything done. So I got my sheets in the washer, thumbs up, awesome. So glad I had the motivation to get out of bed at 7. And then I also got a shower in, I got my makeup done, and as you can see, I'm letting my hair air dry today. So I might curl it later, but I don't know. As you can see, I have a pile of laundry here to get done. And my sheets are in the washer, so I will make the bed. This dresser, oh my goodness, this is dusty. This needs to be dusted. I just dusted last week, but it happens fast. And then over on my side of the bedroom, actually, this isn't too bad. I just need to kind of wipe my vanity down and put things back where they go. And that's not bad for the bedroom, actually. The bathroom's kind of a mess. The shower needs to be wiped down. I need to put a few things away. It's gotten just a little bit unorganized. If you guys don't have a hamper in your bathroom and under your kitchen sink, I highly recommend incorporating that into your life. It will make keeping things picked up so much easier. And this hot mess over here. Oh, we're making a cake today too. It's my friend Lisa's birthday weekend, and she loves funfetti, so we're gonna make that for her. And I have a gift to wrap over here, something to send in the mail here. So hopefully we'll get those ready to go. My coffee. Just a mess. Oh my gosh, my stepmom sent me a Fitboard and I'm really excited to use it. She really loves hers, so I'm excited to try that out. Kind of a fun thing to do while you're watching TV. And this isn't too bad, but I'm gonna bring some order back here as well and get dusted and vacuumed and mopped. All right. By the time I really was ready to get started with my cleaning, the sheets were already done in the washer, so I put them in the dryer, and then I went around and collected every towel in my house to put in the washer for my second load of laundry, along with my bath mats. Once I got upstairs, I just took a look at my list and decided where to start with my cleaning list. And I always decide to start in the bathroom. I don't even know why I bother checking. When I clean my bathroom, I just empty everything out so I have a clean slate and I can wipe everything down really well. So I get the shampoo and everything out of the shower, I get everything off of my bathroom sink, and I take the shelf out so I can get the floor underneath. I like to start with the shower because I feel like it's the biggest job and I don't like doing it. It's like my least favorite, so I like to get it out of the way. I can't get over how great peroxide worked on this mirror. I didn't know. You don't know what you don't know. My stepsister Jessica suggested it to me, and I gave it a try. It was awesome. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot to film it, but I actually did switch out cleaning cloths after I cleaned the toilet, but it looks like I didn't because I grabbed one that looked exactly like it again. So just letting you know I did that. Once I got the bathroom put back together, I moved on into the kitchen and I kind of just started puttering around in there and putting one thing away at a time. I feel like I'm going a little bit slow, but I really was because I was just kind of looking for one thing to put away at a time. It felt a little awkward to get started, to tell you the truth. But I just started moving, and that's how you have to do it sometimes. That's just, it doesn't move as fast as you want. So I also had some things that needed my attention. I had some mail that I needed to pay attention to and an appointment I needed to make. And I also needed to get this box over here wrapped up and shipped off, and I had a gift to wrap. So I had to handle all of those things in order to get them out of the way. So that's what I'm doing here, being an adult. Yes, an adult. Once I got done with all those little grown-up tasks, I went ahead and moved the laundry along one more time. And this was me putting my last load of laundry in the washer, so I still had a couple of hours before that would be finished. I have been using Arm & Hammer detergent for almost my whole life. I'm pretty sure that's what my mom used the entire time I was growing up, and I know that it's not gonna make my skin break out, so that's what I always use. What do you guys use? Is there anything I need to try? I keep thumbs upping. I am not a politician. Why am I thumbs upping? I love this part when I put my bed back together. It makes me feel so accomplished. It's nice to have all of it fresh and all of it clean. And today especially because I washed my blanket and my duvet cover. So that is a monthly task, and it's nice just to have it done for a few weeks. Since I was in the bedroom, I just went ahead and dusted the wood furniture in there because I didn't want to forget, since it was so disgusting like I showed you earlier. I wanted to make sure that got done today. Once I had the bedroom in order, it was time to bake this cake. I really needed to get started on this because I had to do 2 rounds of baking. I only have 2 9-inch round pans and I wanted to make a 4-layer cake. So I needed to make sure that I had enough time to bake both of them before I had to leave for work this afternoon. I try not to eat cake myself, but there's something about making someone a birthday cake that is so much fun for me, and I can't stop doing it. So anytime I can, anytime somebody I love is having a birthday, I really try to go to the effort to make a cake, just because I think it's something you can do to make somebody feel special, and it's nice. It's a really fun activity too. Here I was over by the sink, so I went ahead and got my coffee ready for the next day. It's just a small little task that I can do ahead of time that makes my morning so nice. Just to roll out of bed and be able to push start on the coffee maker, it's very pleasant. While the cakes were in the oven baking, I went ahead and folded another load of laundry that was all finished, and I actually also finished up putting the bathroom back together because all the laundry that goes into the bathroom was finished as well. By the time I did that, the first round of cakes were done, so I got started on the second round of baking. This was nice to get done, and it was so nice to get these 2 cakes in the oven because it finally meant I could get the kitchen really clean. And I was anxious to get that finished because it felt like I was working on it for hours, which I kind of was. I was in there for a long time that day. I feel like the best part of cleaning the kitchen is just wiping down the countertop and having nothing on it except for like a candle or something. It's so pleasant and it makes me feel like I really did a good job. I always get like a little extra energy when it's time to vacuum and mop because I know I'm almost done. It's the last thing I do in every room that I clean is the floor. I am so happy I made it to the end of this cleaning routine. The living room is the last thing I like to get done. It feels so good because it's just like finishing up. And I like to get the furniture dusted and put the sofa kind of in a better arrangement. And then I also like to take the trash out very last thing so that I feel like I have a good clean slate to work with over the weekend and heading into the next week. I am so grateful for this house, you guys. I am gonna be honest with you, it wasn't the style of house I expected to end up in, but I really do enjoy living here. I am also really grateful that I got myself on a cleaning routine because it's important to me to take care of the blessings that come into my life. And I honestly, this cleaning routine is a great time for me to stop and be absolutely grateful for my home and the husband that I get to share it with. And I loved that I got to love on my friend Lisa by making her a cake, which turned out pretty cute. I'm going to show you a picture in a second. And we all enjoyed that over the weekend. So I hope this video inspires you to get on a cleaning routine if you're not on one at the moment. And I hope it inspires you to be grateful for your house. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more of my homemaking content. And stay healthy and safe out there, friends. Bye for now.